Creativecrambo back with another one. What you see there is a concrete spur. This concrete repair spur is used to support fence panels by bracing the 4x4 timber post and is bolted to the existing post to reinforce it. Now what normally happens is the 4x4 post at ground level starts to rot and starts to give way a little bit as well. So rather than replacing the whole 4x4 timber post, all you got to do is put a concrete spur in the ground. It bolts to the post there as well and reinforces the post.
Yeah, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way out to support a 4x4 post that's in the ground. I'm going to be using this 4-inch concrete spur. What you got to do is dig down about 18 inches around that post, 18 inches to 2 foot. You're going to drop your concrete spur into there. That's the concrete I'm using, the fast set post mix. So what you need to do then is support your concrete spur, and I'm using these 8-inch screw bolts straight through the holes into the 4x4 post, and then concrete your post in. Yeah, the best way to put these bolts in as well is to use an impact driver. What you're going to do is go in as far as you can. And what you'll find is you'll only be able to get in as far as that. It's about an inch from there. What I use after that is a ratchet. Then with your ratchet just send her home. It's just where that screw bolt's biting into the 4x4 timber, and you can only get so far. But if your impact driver does the job, go with that. There you go, bolt all tightened up. Then all you need to do is add some water into the hole. All you got to do is read the instructions on the post mix. Going to empty that at the bottom. And then what I'll do is just pack it all down with the timber, mix it all up as well. So yeah, I'll just go again like that, and all I'm going to be doing is filling it up to about ground level with the concrete. Nice and quick, nice and easy.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.